I'm going to show you a cool little tool in Illustrator. It's the actual width tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle out just like that. And then what I'll do is let me bump up the width of this stroke a little bit. So maybe, I don't know, mate. Let's have a look. I think that should do it actually. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the scissors tool, and I'm just going to cut out a little area on the top left like that, and then just select it and click delete. Now I'm going to get the width tool, and it's just that one there. And if you just click that and you want to highlight the area, and then you can use the tool to actually drag out the stroke to any thickness you want. And you see that little white dot there, that'll just tell you whereabouts you're applying the width. And you can drag it wide like that, or you can just bring it narrow. You can just play about and make some really cool effects. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to round these edges off of this stroke. So I'm just going to select the shape there, and then get the options up, and I'm just going to round the caps off just like that, and I'll put that back. Now with my width tool again, just going to play about with it, make it really wide, then narrow at one point. You can make some weird shapes, you can go as crazy as you want really with this. And I'm just going to make a complete random shape, but it's great for when you're sketching lines. So give it a go. If you like this video, give it a like and follow for more.